Helen Chasky, we're here at COP24 in
Yes.
Katowice, the UN climate conference. And I guess the question we're trying to think about is putting the commitment from Paris, COP21, into reality. Now, we're both engineers. You're at UCL, in the Mechanical Engineering Department. How do you see the reality of putting COP21 commitments into practice?
Well, this is the meeting where a lot of that is being discussed, not where we are, but in those big rooms over there. And I think Paris was the great hooray, we're going to do a thing, we've all decided, and now is kind of the wake up after the hangover and what are we going to do about this? And there is a lot of debate, and a lot of it comes down to economics. And the good thing that happened, I think, yesterday or today was that there was a story that a lot of the economists here have said, look, this is not just, even if you're completely hard-nosed and all you want to do is make money, you still need to pay attention to climate change because it's going to screw up our economies in all kinds of ways. And those messages are however much those of us that think, not destroying the planet is a good idea for its own sake, there are people that pay attention much more to the economics, and even they here are getting told very clearly that this is an economic decision as much as anything else.